What's up, everybody? This will be a unboxing of the Fast and Furious 10-pack Silver Series set, which you can, if you're lucky enough, find at Ross for $13. And this is what's in it. It's a 10-car set. It's basically a highlight of the cars from the different waves of the sets, such as the Dom set, the Women of Fast set, the Decades of Fast set. So there's a little compilation. So we're going to open this up, take a closer look at everything inside. Then we're going to open it up kind of nicely so we can put it back in here afterwards. So get the little pocket knife out. Pull it out like such. I'll be able to put it right back together afterwards. It's going to still have that nice little display box and all that. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's I guess we will take down the line. So first up we have, alright, these are not so easy. Okay, we got Dom's RX-7 from the first movie, of course. Of course, we got all that deco on the side and top. There's the front, all done up, and then the back as well. Plastic bottom. There we go, there's that. Never found this one on the single card, so let's see what find it in this 10-pack. So there you got that guy. Next up we have this Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. And this one has a metal base on it because this was also released in the premium line, which I do have that version of this as well. This would have been from the Women of Fast set. All done up pretty good. Rear and front. Boom. There's the Porsche. Next in line. Get it out. Alrighty, we have the Hummer H1. Plastic base. Alrighty. The front looks pretty decent. Then this is one that was part of the Decades of Fast set. This was pretty much the peg warmer of the bunch. There you go. I kind of have two of these now, technically. So I do have that in the single card. The other thing. Then we got this Dodge Charger here. 68 Dodge Charger. Then this was part of the Dom set, which I do have this on the single card for this one. Not really headlights on there, really. But let's does have a nice paint on it. That looks pretty nice. It's shiny. And even the wheels are kind of shiny too. Alright, and it's got that chrome interior on there. Got next, we got, ooh, this one's nice and heavy. The Lycan Hypersport. This was would have been in the Dom set. And this one's got the metal base on there. That back end, no taillights or anything. Well, I guess the taillights wrap around the thing here. I guess it looks like. There's the front of it there. And of course, this is the from that one scene in one movie where they're in the Abu Dhabi, I think it is, that they're in. They're in that high rise. This is the car that they drive out of the frickin' between the two buildings. Yeah, that's that one. There you go. Like an Hypersport. And we got the Ford GT40. This would be from the Women Fest. Would have been in that set. Tail lights. Headlights. A little side deco in the top. Then this is, of course, from beginning of Fast 5 when they're taking the cars off the train. Here we got that pretty good shiny blue on there. Next we will look at, get it out of here. Alright, got the Fleet Line, Chevy Fleet Line. Then this is when he's in Cuba. It's part of the Dom set. When he rips the hood off and does whatever to it for the race. And this is catching fire and going out into the water. There you got that. And then of course the doors. There you go. There's that guy there. Alright, 3 more to look at. Let's go back to the first film, the Volkswagen Jetta, which has, this was from the Decades of Fast set. I do have this one on the single card. It's pretty well done. Got the back end there, the lights. Front end's done up. Of course, silver line, so, you know, a little more details and such. Got the graphics on the side. Plastic base. Metal wing. And this is, of course, Jesse's car from the first movie. Well, I guess technically it's his dad's car, but he drives it. And then we got S2000 from the second movie, Too Fast, Too Furious. Here we go. Got that front right there. And then, of course, in the actual movie, the top is, there's not a roof. The top, it's a convertible in the movie. But, yep, there you get that. It's pretty good. It's the bottom for you. All right. Cool. Honda S2000. And then one last one. Ooh. It's actually this is the RX-8. This one's got a metal base on it. And then this is Neela's car in Tokyo Drift. Cool. Nice one to have. I never saw the Women of Fast set hit the area around me. So it's got a few of them here within this box set. This is one of the ones I would have wanted anyways, so cool. All done up. Nice. So in the set there are 3 cars with metal bases. The Porsche, the Lycan, and then this one right here, the RX-8 metal base. And that's my cat meowing for some reason. Alright. Yeah, there you have it with that. I'll put it all right back inside. I'll put it right back into the box. Back all nice and neat. And back on the display box. So there you have it. Fast and Furious Silver Series 10-pack. So, thank you all for watching, and see you next one. Bye.